Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I'm taking a video of a royal Poinciana, the biggest one I know of in Central Florida. I spent 6 months in Mexico last year and they're all over the place there, but this tree down at the base, you can see it's real close to 5 feet in diameter. And I guarantee that the limb spread on this is 100 feet wide, even though the tree is only about 50 feet tall. But check out the thickness of the flower. Now this tree is defoliated from the leaves, but it still has a ton of flower on it. I've seen this tree when it was completely foliated and completely in full bloom. This is right on the north side of Lake Ariana in Auburndale, Florida. So if you live in Polk County and you want to see a spectacular tree, come check it out. Now, once again, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com, and we sell trees, big trees, planted and guaranteed for a full year. So go to our website, check us out there, give us a call from there, and we'll get you anything that you want as long as it's grown in Florida. Have a good day.